Once again, I'm happy to have you here. My name is Israel Watobi. In today's video, I want to quickly show you something important as graphic design is concerned. How we can be able to add fonts to applications. And which applications are we using here? We're going to be making use of Pixellab. So how can you download fonts and add it to your Pixellab? So this is what you're going to do. The first thing there is that you go to your Google. I have one particular site I will be showing you. I don't want this video to be that long. This is the name of the site, that font. Making use of the right font or the right font for your designs is very compulsory. Every design has their own font, and every font has its own meaning. The way colors has meanings, the way font also carries meaning. So, but today's video, we want to quickly know how we can download and import those fonts on our Pixellab. Now, there used to be two major forms of fonts, one in zip form and one that has been unzipped. So, what I really want you to know here is that if you come across any font in zip form, you can use it. Yes. If something is zipped, something is zip up, that means that for you to be able to make use of that thing or to see what is inside, you need to do what? Thank you very much. You need to unzip it. Thank you. So you need to unzip it. So here, any font you'll be downloading from this site, it will be in zip form. Any font that is named end with zip, you can't use it unless you unzip it. But we have some fonts that are from some other site like that does not end with zip. We have the one with OTF, OTT, all those ones. They are already been unzipped, so you can continue using it. Now, let's say after you've come to the site, these are a lot of font categories here that you can just pick from and download. So let me click on this spot. We want to download fonts in the area of spots. Okay. I don't like it. Let's look at another area here. Which one should we pick now? Okay, let's look at this decorative. Okay, now I'll be going for this. I want to download this. Now, what am I going to do in order to have this font on my phone? This is what I will do. You already see what is here. Download. You click on this download. So if you look at it now, the names of the font is brightness.zip. So I will download it. Okay. It's done downloading. So the next thing I will now do is that I will need to minimize the size. Go to my phone. But I hope you still remember that I said any font in zip form cannot be what? You can't make use of it. That is just it. You need to unzip it. So I will need one particular application to unzip this font. And that application is called Zarchiver. So if you don't have it on your phone, we advise you to go and download it now. Okay. So that is the name of the what? That is the font, and that is the logo. You can just search for it on Play Store, then you get it done on your phone. So that is that. I will click on this Zarchiver. All those things that I download from Chrome used to store under download on my phone gallery. So what I'm going to do here is I will just look for download. Here is download. I will click on it. I will look for the name of the what? Of the font. This is the font here. Now, this font is useless as it is now because it is in zip form. I need to unzip it. Please watch this carefully so that I can know how to do yours. Now I will click on this. I'll just tap it. It will pop up something like this: view, extract here, extract to, extract, all the stuff. So if you want to extract here, extract means that you want to unzip it. That is what it really means. So if you want to unzip this font here in this particular folder, in this download folder as well, you just need to click extract here. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. We are not extracting here, but now look at it now. We already we already done extracting it. So these are the fonts. These are those ones that are useful. You can use those ones. All those TTF, OTF, some of them used to be in OTF. Now, those ones now you can use it. But that is not really what I want to show you. What I want to show you is that if you want to extract it to another place, now I'll click on it again. I'm not extracting it here. I want to move the font to another folder on my phone. So I will click on extract alone, not extract to, and not extract here. I will click on extract. Okay, I'll click on extract. Then I will scroll up. I'll click here again. This place now represent back button. I'll click on it. It will take me back. Then I'll click on this place. Since I'm taking it to my phone, I'll click there. It will help me to select. Now I want to go to my device storage. I'll click on device storage. Then where did I want to put the font? Where do I want to put the font? Okay. Let me create a folder then. A new folder. I will name it fonts. Since I'm not having on my phone, but normally I'm supposed to have. Maybe because I just reset my phone. So I'll name it font. Now that is it. Let me go back. Sorry. Now this is the folder here, font. So I will click on the font folder. Then anywhere you want to extract it, it will show you this thing. So if I click on this thing now, the font will show here. So click here. You can see these are the fonts here. Now after that, you've done extracting, you've done unzipping it. The next thing is that I will now go to my Pixellab. Okay, I'll go to my Pixellab. Okay, now let me try it on these designs here. Let me click on these days. I will now look for my font here. My font. Click on font. Okay, my font as well. Now, I want to add that font to this place. I want to add it to my Pixellab. You know, I've already extracted it. It is even already here. Because do you know the reason why it is here already? Because I tried to create it on my phone. I tried to extract it on that download. But let's imagine that it is not here, that you want to add it yourself. How will you be able to get it? You click on this sign here. Sorry. Click on that font here. You get here. I don't know, maybe you get what I just did now. You will click here. Okay. When you click there, you now look for the names of the folder where the font is, and that is font here. I'll click on font. So these are the fonts. Now what am I going to do? I will just click on, when you, after locating the fonts on your folder, you click on add directory. So I'll click on add directory. It will be added here. Now I'm the one that had this. If you look at the names of the name of the folder, this is the name of the folder. This is where the font is being found. Font. But this one now, it added itself, and it is found under what? Under download. So this is how to add the font yourself. If peradventure is not showing here, you can add it yourself. So that is how to do that about that. Now if you see now, if I click on this font now, it will change this text. I hope you can see the text has already changed. So that is how to download, to unzip, and to add font to your Pixellab. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.